how to make money with Redbubble using popular tags. Hi guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with Redbubble using popular tags. This method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any investment whatsoever to get started. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Redbubble.com. So guys, Redbubble.com is basically the platform that you're going to be using for this particular method. So guys, Redbubble is basically a print on demand website, and then over here you can see basically all the different things that they deal with. Now on the left side you have all these categories. They have clothing, kids and babies, phone cases, stickers, wall arts, home and living, stationery, and accessories as well. Now depending upon what you want to sell, you want to choose one of these categories. I'm going to click on clothing, and then that is going to show me all the items present in clothing over here. So we have shirts, we have sleeveless shirts, we have shorts, and like all these are custom designs being sold by people all over the world. So guys, like all these are really cool designs, and honestly I would like to pay money for these designs because guys, like custom shirts always go for a higher price, and that is why people prefer Redbubble a lot. So now what I want you to do is simply click on sign up from the top right corner, and then after that wait for a couple of seconds and their sign up page is gonna come up right in front of you. So from over here, sign up as an artist or as a customer or through your email, username or password, and then I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second. So once you've signed up, depending upon what options you chose while signing up, you will see relevant designs which are relevant to your taste over here. So now what I want you to do, from the top right, simply click on your account, and then after that click on sell your art. So once you click on sell your art, that is going to take you over to this page. So from over here you can see all the things that you need to do. So firstly you have to create your products, you have to set up shop, and then you will get paid in the end. After that there are some tips for new sellers as well. So like definitely read through these tips because these are definitely going to help you out a lot. So now what I want you to do is click on add designs, and then after that from over here simply upload your designs or copy an existing work. Now what I would recommend doing is that you simply upload new work and then simply choose from any designs that you have in your computer or that you can design for absolutely free using canva.com. I'm going to choose this particular image, and then after that I'm going to wait for a couple of seconds, and then I will be able to see this image uploaded over here, and then I can simply put in a title. Now I'm going to type in the name Cat Queen. Now once I type in Cat Queen, after that now comes the most important part. So what I want you to do now is simply take a look at the image, and then regarding that image I want you to put in 15 to 20 tags over here. Now the more tags you have, the more you will show up in people's searches, and that is how you can get a lot of sales. So I'm gonna type in cats over here, I'm gonna type in queen, I'm gonna type in a luxury, then I'm gonna type in basically king. So like, you know, you basically have to type in anything that you can possibly think of related to this particular image. So like I'm gonna type in that, then I'm gonna type in royal, like basically whatever you can possibly think of, you simply type it over here, and the more tags you have, the better it is. After that, simply put in a description telling the people what this particular shirt is about. Type in over here introducing the Cat Queen. Now this in itself looks really nice. Now for the background color, simply choose a color. I'm gonna choose dark black, and then after that you will be able to see all the products that this particular image is going to be available on. So we have like toddler shirts, kids shirts, like tops, a large print painting, A-line dresses, pillows, covers, iPad covers, phone covers, curtains, travel mugs, like, you know, drawstring bags, like almost everything from like water bottles to like plates. Like we even have face masks with this particular logo. So like once you have that, after that from the bottom simply like choose up to 2 tags depending upon what your particular product is about. So now what I want you to do is simply scroll down till the very end, and then after that click on save work. Now click on no for this question, which is this mature content, and then click on save work by simply checking this box, and then basically your work is gonna get processed, and then it is gonna be uploaded onto Redbubble, and then people are gonna reach out to you to basically like, you know, get this shirt ordered, and then you can simply have your profit and then ship it using Redbubble's logistics services. So like over here, this is your particular product. So you have this product now available over here. So what I want you to do now is click on complete your payment details to open your shop, and then simply put in everything like your first name, last name, street address, and everything like that, and then simply get paid at the very end and click on save changes. Now once you do that, after that you will be able to essentially sell on Redbubble, and then people are going to be placing orders left and right for your particular product. So guys, this was one product. Now what I want you to do is simply come back to your portfolio, and then after that click on upload new work, and similarly choose a new design. Now I'm gonna pick a design from over here which is not very out of the box, but like a design which looks pretty decent. So I'm gonna wait for this to load up, and similarly meanwhile I'm gonna type in Rome back in Spain. Now I really like this title, and then over here for the tags I'm gonna type in Rome, and then after that I'm gonna type in Spain. I'm gonna type in a travel, and then also I'm gonna type in maybe the castle fights, basically anything that is relevant to this particular image. I'm gonna type that in the tags, most probably 15 to 20 tags, and then from over here type in a description, basically like, you know, specifying your product or something catchy. I'm gonna type in where the great battles took place. So once I do that, after that I am going to like simply choose a color which is gonna be red because it signifies battle. So I'm gonna like simply choose that particular color, and then after that, once I do that, I will be able to see like my product over here in all of these shirts. So like similarly like we had the cat queen, we have this particular image over on the phone cases cover, over on the pillow cover, over on basically every single thing. Like we have travel mugs, we have scarves, we have table cases, we have drawstring bags, clock, hardcover journals, like so many things. Like we even have trousers, leggings, socks, backpacks, and even duffel bags too. So similarly at the end click on save work, and your work is going to be saved onto Redbubble's portfolio, and then people can like simply start to order from you if they like your product. So just give it a couple of seconds, and then it is going to show you your portfolio in front of you, and now you have a very nice looking store from where people can actually buy from you. So guys, that is basically how Redbubble works. Now a pro tip is that you always focus for the styles that are trending. Anything that is trending or anything that is best selling, you can basically make a similar product, and then obviously you will get a lot of sales because that particular product is trending and people always buy trending things. So guys, that was a pro tip that I had for you. And then again, if you guys have any questions, anything regarding anything, you can let me know in the comments down below. Now guys, let's say you want to like actually ship something out. What you do is that you simply click on your account, and then after that you simply click on manage portfolio. Now once you do that, that is going to take you back over here. Click on any one of these products, and then after that simply click on the title or the settings button, and then after that simply like view it if you want to, or like when you get a lot of orders you can simply like, you know, ship it out easily, and then you can simply like, you know, start to make money. Now like let's say you want to drop ship something, let's say you want to like drop ship these shirts. What you can do is that you can simply take a snapshot of these images and upload them to your own store, and then once you get an order, what you can do is that simply click on add to cart, and then choose the size that you got the order for, and then click on add to cart once again, and then simply go to your cart, and then from over there, and then simply ship this out to the person who ordered it, basically keeping your commission on top. So guys, that is how it works, and you can pay either via PayPal, Amazon Pay, or credit card. So guys, this basically wraps up our video, and I hope I explained everything, and now you guys will be able to like start your very own store and make a lot of money for yourself and be able to like buy whatever you want. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.